Hi guys, it's Tejorianjan here. Thank you for clicking this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and please click the notification bell so that you will be updated and notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so before ko mag-start sa akong video, I just want to clarify nga kaniya akong ginabuhat is 7-day water fast. So 7-day water fast meaning you don't have to eat anything, wala kay consume except water. Dili ka mag-consume og food, di ka mag-consume og coffee or any liquids except water. So understood. Okay, so a little backstory. I decided to enter this kind of challenge and this kind of fasting because I really wanted to challenge myself ever since the year 2020 has started. So I really wanted to be productive and to be more careful or to be more vigilant sa akong health. Just because I'm already 21 and I'm afraid that when I get to 30 years old, na ako'y mga ailments or mga illness kakabatian because of my poor health. So, poor health nga, pag-atiman sa self, ana man na siya. It's okay English. So, I also have done a lot of fasting, mga intermittent fasting, low carb fasting, no rice fasting, 16-8 window, etc. etc. And none of them work. So basically sila tanan nag-fail sa ako. It's also because wala ko'y portion control sa akong food. Then dagan gyud ko gina-intake nga calories. That's why I never lose weight. That's why I decided to have this water fasting because it is proven, studied sa mga doctors nga it helps you to decrease your cholesterol level and it also helps nga dili ka magka-diabetes and a lot of good reviews or good nga kanang studies about water fasting. Many of you might ask nga dili ba na siya makapatay kay ikaw good, wala kay kanon for 7 days, mabuang ka. No, dili siya mamatay. Even others, magkuan sila water fast 40, 50, some might 100 days na mag-water fast. And walay nahitabo sila ha, walay mga critical nga mga condition that happened to them. Basically, what happened to them was they become even more healthier. That's why I'm very interested in having this kind of challenge, and with this, I'm very hopeful that I will succeed and not be tempted to this food. And mga friends na ko nga, sige gaon, sige panghangat og pagkaon. I hope nga ma-resist na ko sila. That's why I'm sharing this video so that you will see my journey towards my fitness goals this 2020. Okay, so mag-start ko sa akong water fast by April 27, 12 midnight. So, karon it's currently 8 sa April 26. So, napakoy mga 4 hours to eat. So, kanang 4 hours mag-overeat ko, mag-splurge ko sa akong self para muna akong calorie intake for the next 7 days. So, wala ko'y kanunan na ha. So, my first meal, kay kuan siya. Pagkita sa inyo. So, natay kuan, pork ug chicken, adobo o kuan, humba. So let's eat, everyone. So round 2, natay mango float and blueberry cheesecake. So let's eat, guys. So time check, it's 10:40 PM sa April 26. So mag-body check ta. So day 1 siya, I currently weigh 86 kilos. So let's see the progress after 7 days. So good night, everyone. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 1 of my water fast. And so far so good. I'm feeling good. Wala pa ko feel og kagutom. And yes, I'm gonna update you later and my mga effects sa akong body and sa akong mga batian. So you will know. So thank you for watching this video. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Happy birthday. Request ako tumbe. Makaon. Sana all makaon. Nag-waterfast ko no. Bye-bye. Bye phone. Sige pang ulit. Ayoko magtinta na bago.
Sis, lamig kayo.
Lamig kayo.
Sis, lamig kayo.
Sana all nagkaon. Hi guys, it's Ayan here. So welcome back sa akong video. So currently na ako sa akong day 2 sa akong water fast. And so far sa akong kakabatian sa water fast in my 2 days, kay gutom gid kay siya, like super like ang imo pag yung mga kauban kay sige kaon makaibog kayo, pero I think what keeps me going is my mental aspect. Ito so psychological factor gyapon nga gusto nimo ma-achieve ang imong goal o gusto po nimo nga ma-prove si mo self nga kaya nimo. So maybe that's the reason why it keeps me going na padayon sa akong water fast. Also another update is that ang akong energy level kay nag-drop down gid siya, meaning wala gid ko'y energy mostly sa office and dili kay ko gatok pod manang nabantayan sa akong mga kauban. And also I noticed nga ang akong patience when it comes to dealing with persons kay especially I'm a social worker. In working we deal with a lot of people, a lot of clients, and kanang usahay dili malikayan nga mag-raise atong voice kay easily ta ma-irritated, especially nga walay kuan calories or walay kuan food nga imong ginakaon. So maybe that's the reason, but let's see tomorrow if unsay may tabo. And I'm gonna sleep now. Good night. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's day 5 of my water fast journey and I'm gonna share you some updates regarding this journey nako guys, no? So by day 3 and day 4, unfortunately nag-stop gid ko water fast kay gigutom ko gayo and my head hurts ug usay ka-feel ko og kasukaon. Since I'm having my water fast, I still make sure nga nag-fasting gyapon ko. So instead of not eating anything for a day, I decided and I opted to have this 1 meal per day. So mura ko ng intermittent fasting and I only eat lunch. By lunch ako magkaon per day. So by day 3, I only ate boiled eggs. And by day 4, I only eat a cup of rice o some sort of vegetables man to siya. Now, I'm gonna weigh in myself and let's see sa akong weight karon and let's go! So that's it guys. Sa inyo nakita, I currently weigh 81.50 kilograms karon and nain ko before nga 86 kilograms ko. So basically nag-lose ko 4.5 kilograms. As I can see sa akong self, no, na yung mga noticeable changes and significant changes within my body. First, external ta, akong jawline is sometimes visible na siya and also my skin feels moisturized and hydrated. Although some of you may say na oily, pero like yung difference sa una o karon. Although oily gapon siya, pero not that much oily compared sa una. And also I feel lighter, I feel better. Although mayon sila nga murag akong face com kay luya and low energy. Murag akong nagkasakit ang akong parents kay tungod sa akong pagniwang. But ambot lang ang mga taong gudi nga na basta magniwang kay associate nila nga nagsakit ka. And overall, I am very happy with these results. 4.5 kilograms in 5 days. Bako na ka siya difference yun. Like, I'm so happy and yeah, I'm very thankful and blessed with this fasting. I'm so proud of myself. So I'm probably ending this video now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you wanted to try this kind of fasting, please let me know. Please leave a comment in the comment section. And let's see if unsay results sa inyo ha. And Let me know if nakaya ninyo ang 7 days or more na water fast. And thank you so much for watching this video once again. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated and notified whenever I post a video. Thank you guys. See you soon in my next video. Bye!